The accelerator workshop of the Sustainable EDU Framework Policy Architecture is divided in 4 sessions. The first session is focused on leadership and vision. The main purpose of this session is to help to build, to construct one vision to create a project. It's very difficult. I can say is impossible to create a successful initiative on education without a vision. And the vision is built not only on the opinions and the ideas of a small team, but it's built with the engagement of many stakeholders. Reason why we dedicate the first session to build this vision and to with construct the leadership approach to build the vision. We consider 4 aspects on this workshop for building an informed vision. The first one is focus on global reference documents like Education 2030, UNESCO and United Nations document, Sustainable Development Goal 4, and other important global documents which frame education today at the world stage. The second point is to identify stakeholders, local stakeholders, regional stakeholders, global stakeholders. The third theme of this session will be analyzing frameworks, like the framework for education and privacy or education transformation framework from Microsoft or from Intel education framework and UNESCO frameworks. There are a few frameworks very important, and also the relation of them with the local, with the national strategies. The fourth theme will be focused on models to implement this leadership and vision approach, and also to study, to look at some case studies which help to build the informed vision and leadership we need to launch, to plan education ICT initiative.